Have you ever wondered what secrets lie hidden beneath the Earth's surface? Have you ever imagined the story of a giant that sleeps quietly for centuries, only to awaken with a force that reshapes history? Have you ever questioned how a single eruption could alter the fate of entire civilizations? Have you pondered the delicate balance between human life and nature's awe-inspiring power? Today, we invite you to embark on an extraordinary journey into the heart of Mount Vesuvius, the sleeping giant. In this video, you will learn about its mysterious past, the forces that have shaped its destiny, and the lessons it holds for our future. Imagine a volcano that has silently stood guard over a region for thousands of years. A volcano that not only shaped the land, but also the lives of those who lived in its shadow. Mount Vesuvius, nestled in the scenic landscape of Campania, Italy, is not just a towering mass of rock and ash. It is a living chronicle of our planet's dramatic history. Today we will explore its origins, unravel the mysteries of its explosive past, and reveal why this seemingly dormant giant remains one of the most closely watched natural phenomena in the world. In the following moments, you will discover the geological marvel that is Vesuvius, understand the events that led to one of history's most notorious eruptions, and see how modern society grapples with the delicate balance of living near such immense power. The stakes are high. With over 3 million people residing in the vicinity and millions more drawn to its cultural and historical significance, every tremor and puff of smoke carries a reminder of nature's unpredictable might. By the end of this video, you will not only appreciate the rich tapestry of stories woven into Vesuvius's past, but also gain valuable insights into the precautions and preparations that are essential for living in harmony with such natural wonders. Let's begin our journey by uncovering the secrets of how this giant was born, setting the stage for the incredible story that unfolds with every tremor of the Earth. Our story begins deep beneath the surface of the Earth, where tectonic forces have been at work for millennia. Mount Vesuvius was formed approximately 25,000 years ago as the African tectonic plate slowly subducted beneath the Eurasian plate. This ancient process created a fiery cauldron of molten rock and gas, slowly building up layers upon layers that would one day form the distinctive cone we see today. Unlike many volcanoes that simply tower above the landscape, Vesuvius boasts a complex structure. A large cone partially encircled by a steep ancient caldera known as the Gran Cono. This caldera is a stark reminder of past explosive events that not only carved out the volcano's form, but also left behind a legacy of both beauty and danger. Over the centuries, every eruption, every tremor has contributed to the unique anatomy of Vesuvius, making it a natural monument that commands both respect and wonder. In the quiet moments between eruptions, Vesuvius stands as a silent sculptor of the land, its slopes slowly changing under the persistent forces of nature. The gentle hum of its inner workings often goes unnoticed by the millions living nearby. Yet beneath this calm facade lies a reservoir of energy, a hidden power that is carefully monitored by scientists around the clock. As we marvel at the origins of this majestic giant, a question lingers in our minds. How did the forces that created Vesuvius lead to some of the most dramatic events in human history? In our next section, we will travel back in time to the infamous eruption of 79 AD, exploring the events that forever altered the course of ancient civilizations. On a seemingly ordinary day in 79 AD, Mount Vesuvius awoke from its slumber with an intensity that would be remembered for centuries. Imagine the sky darkening as a towering column of ash and pumice shot up into the heavens, a signal of nature's immense power. For the residents of Pompeii, Herculaneum and the surrounding communities, this day marked the beginning of an unimaginable disaster. The eruption unfolded in distinct, heart-stopping phases. On the first day, a high-altitude column, what historians and scientists call the Plinian Phase, erupted violently, releasing a cloud of volcanic debris that rained down on the cities below. Buildings were buried under thick layers of ash, and the weight of the falling pumice signaled the onset of nature's relentless force. As the day progressed, an even more dangerous phenomenon took over: pyroclastic flows. These fast-moving currents of hot gas, ash and rock fragments surged down the slopes at speeds that left little time for escape, engulfing everything in their path. Imagine the terror and confusion in those final moments, the sudden shift from the tranquility of daily life to a cataclysmic event that spared no one in its vicinity. The tragic tale of Pompeii is not just a story of destruction, it is a poignant reminder of the fragility of human life in the face of nature's might. Yet, amidst the despair, there is a profound legacy. The layers of ash that covered these ancient cities preserved their vibrant history, offering modern archaeologists and historians a rare glimpse into Roman life. Though the eruption of 79 AD is the most famous, Vesuvius has not been a one-time actor on the stage of history. Over the centuries, it has erupted more than 50 times, each event adding a new chapter to its storied existence. Notable eruptions in 1631, 1906 and even 1944 have reminded us that while the volcano may appear dormant, its potential for dramatic upheaval remains ever present. As we reflect on these dramatic episodes from the past, one can't help but wonder, how does this ancient tragedy resonate in our modern world? How have lessons from history shaped our approach to living in the shadow of such a formidable force? In our next section, we will explore the present-day challenges and risks associated with Mount Vesuvius and examine the measures in place to safeguard millions of lives. Today, Mount Vesuvius is more than just a relic of ancient times. It is a vibrant, active volcano with a profound impact on the lives of millions. Over 3 million people call the area around Vesuvius home, many of them residing within the so-called red zone, a high-risk area spanning roughly 200 square kilometers. This dense population means that any significant activity from the volcano could have far-reaching consequences. Recognizing the potential danger, scientists and government agencies work around the clock to monitor Vesuvius's activity. Advanced sensors, satellite imagery, and ground-based observations help detect even the smallest tremors. These efforts are not just about predicting the next eruption. They are about understanding the subtle signs that the sleeping giant is stirring, so that timely evacuations can be planned and executed. Over the years, the Italian government has implemented detailed emergency plans designed to minimize risk. Evacuation strategies involve the use of buses, cars, trains and even ships, ensuring that residents in the red zone can be moved to safety within a tight time frame. Despite these measures, the challenge remains enormous. Living in the shadow of Vesuvius is a daily reminder of nature's unpredictable power. The residents are not mere bystanders in this story, they are active participants, forging a life in a region that is as beautiful as it is perilous. Their resilience, their preparedness, and their community spirit are testaments to the human capacity to adapt to even the most daunting challenges. Even as modern technology and meticulous planning offer hope, one lingering question remains. Can human ingenuity truly overcome the raw, untamed forces of nature? As we move forward, our final section will explore the lessons we have learned from history and the strategies being developed to secure a safer future. The story of Mount Vesuvius is not just a tale of destruction. It is a powerful lesson in resilience, adaptation, and the importance of understanding our environment. The well-preserved ruins of Pompeii and Herculaneum are like time capsules, offering us a window into the daily lives, aspirations, and vulnerabilities of ancient civilizations. These archaeological treasures remind us that history is not merely a collection of dates and events, but a rich tapestry of human experience interwoven with nature's relentless power. One of the most important lessons that Vesuvius teaches is the critical need for preparedness. By studying past eruptions, scientists have gained invaluable insights into the warning signs and potential behaviors of volcanoes. This research has driven innovations in emergency management, urban planning, and environmental monitoring. For instance, the concept of a red zone was established as a buffer area where strict building regulations and evacuation plans are in place. These measures are designed not only to protect lives, but also to preserve the cultural heritage of a region that has been shaped by both beauty and calamity. Advancements in technology are constantly enhancing our ability to monitor volcanic activity. Today, sophisticated instruments measure everything from seismic activity to gas emissions, providing early warning signals that can save lives. Moreover, international collaborations in the fields of geology and disaster management are paving the way for more resilient communities. By integrating lessons from the past with cutting-edge science, we are building a future where the threat of natural disasters is met with preparedness and hope. Beyond the immediate human toll, an eruption of Vesuvius would have far-reaching economic and cultural implications. The region around Naples is not only a densely populated area, but also a hub of tourism and cultural heritage. Millions of visitors each year come to witness the remnants of ancient civilizations and the natural beauty of the Italian landscape. An eruption could disrupt this delicate balance, affecting livelihoods, local economies, and the global cultural narrative. Yet it is precisely this intricate interconnection between nature and society that makes the story of Vesuvius so compelling and so vital to understand. As we ponder the lessons of the past and the innovations of today, one cannot help but ask, what will the future hold for those living in the shadow of the sleeping giant? Can the wisdom of our ancestors and the brilliance of modern science truly safeguard our future? In our final segment, we will reflect on these questions, tying together the threads of history, science, and human resilience into a powerful conclusion. Just when you think you've heard it all, another layer of mystery unfolds. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast ancient secret with only a whisper of nature's power hinting at untold stories yet to be revealed. What if the next revelation about Mount Vesuvius could change everything you thought you knew about our world? In today's journey, we have travelled from the depths of geological time to the present-day challenges of living under the watchful eye of a sleeping giant. We've uncovered the origins of Vesuvius, witnessed the dramatic unfolding of its legendary eruptions, and explored the modern measures that strive to protect lives in its shadow. But the story does not end here. There is always more to learn, more to understand, and more to prepare for as we continue to live alongside one of nature's most awe-inspiring forces. If you found this exploration into the heart of Mount Vesuvius intriguing, imagine the wealth of insights waiting in our other videos. Each story, each narrative on our channel offers another piece of the puzzle about how nature, history, and humanity intertwine. We invite you to dive deeper into these topics. Watch our next video for more fascinating tales of natural wonders, historical mysteries, and the science that connects them. And now we want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on living in the shadow of such a powerful force? Do you believe that modern technology can truly keep pace with nature's unpredictable energy? Share your personal opinions and experiences in the comment box below. Your perspective is an essential part of this ongoing dialogue. Until next time, stay curious, stay prepared, and always respect the remarkable power of nature.